Start. So now, after the introduction, we discuss about the author. So as we already know, the author is Alexander Beron. So about Alexander Beron, he has written many novels, and उन novels के कुछ नाम जो भी काफ़ी सारे novels हैं, उनके जो भी नाम हैं वो आपके text book में इस chapter के end में दे रखे हैं. So he's very famous for his novels, and he was a British screenwriter and playwright. Also, he started his working or his he debuted with in this end. Fuck, what's happening? Start. So about after the introduction, we'll now discuss about the author, that is Alexander Beron. So about the author, हमारी टेक्स्ट बुक में हमारे इस चैप्टर के एंड में एक बॉक्स दिया हुआ है, उसके अंदर अलेक्जेंडर बेरॉन के बारे में बताया हुआ है. So from that we come to know कि he has written many novels, and he's very he was known for his writing, and his novels were pretty famous in his times. And also he started working or writing when he was an assistant editor at the Tribune, और उसके बाद he started writing, and he's written many novels which are famous. Also he joined army in the second world war. So उस टाइम फ्रेम पे ये सेट है, ये जो स्टोरी है द मैन हू न्यू टू मच सेट है, बिकॉज व्हेन ही मतलब द प्लॉट ऑफ द स्टोरी इज दैट ही वाज इन द आर्मी कैंप, एंड देन ही मेट दिस गाय. सो बेसिकली it can be related to this fact that he served in the army in the Second World War.